Well, picked up a part and some oil. Never fails to have to keep some hydraulic oil on hand. So yeah, up at the farm today, about a week out from starting corn harvest. Just gonna do some final, make sure the monitor is all updated and ready to go, and then yeah, test some corn, maybe pull the head over, but at least get the wagons outside and greased up, and yeah, go from there. But not starting yet. It's wet out. Hopefully if I shell some corn today, hoping that it comes in at like more of the 21, so another week. But it's been warm in Michigan, but it's also been really wet, so don't exactly know on that yet. Get a little view of one of the fields. Obviously it looks more dried down, but you never know. I'll probably on the way back pull some corn from down in the lower area, because that was up top probably got hurt a little bit more by the dry spell at the end. So, but it looks like it probably should be off the walk in it, but interesting. It's been really windy, windy and wet, so that's why I'm hoping it dries down faster and that we can get some favorable harvest conditions, just because don't want to take too much of a chance of standability, but see how it goes. Well, hello, beautifuls. Combine, planter, tractor. Don't like having things sitting outside, but it just makes it easier for right now. Once I get the doors opened up, I did have the dealership come out this past week. There were some things that I just needed addressed. For one, they did re-torque the tires, just because I don't want to have situations similar to the last time. And then I'll wait till it get the doors open up. But had them do work on the shaft going to the counter shaft gearbox. Okay, so see what we got. Okay, Kevin, be smarter than you. Oh, yeah. I'll wait till it get outside and have better light. So I have a few things that I want to do today. The first, so obviously this is my new to me head. There were some issues, or I knew when I got it, I just wanted to get, you can buy wear plates, just to prolong the snouts. Obviously it looks like, you know, it's getting a little thin, not on all of them, but on enough that I want to get it taken care of. So got those from Shoop. Worked out really well. They're not that bad. And then this is what I had Green Mark out to the farm to help on. Well, okay. I had Greenmark out to the farm this week. Basically the universal yoke on the drive shaft. It had a lot of play. I could spin this and I could hear it, and obviously even when it was running you could hear it ticking a little bit. And you know, for me, you know, in reflecting, I know my dad and my uncles, they would have been able to fix that on their own. It's just not something that I was willing to do. I don't think it would have been that difficult, but they could do it at a lot quicker time. So obviously they have that replaced. So just trying to be proactive. You could have been the type that that just pretend you don't hear it, and then all of a sudden everything stops moving, because this shaft runs everything at the front of the machine. It just wouldn't have been smart. So thankful that Greenmark came out, got that fixed, and yeah, good to go. So I'm gonna do make sure my maps and everything are loaded up into the yield monitor. Again, I'm probably looking at starting next Sunday, weather permitting. So for those that haven't seen this before, these are the wear plates you can put on. It's just 10 screws, just basically fits over top of where it was wearing, and you screw it on. Not too bad. Okay, well, I think I think she's all set to go. Got the wear covers on. Was able to tighten up some chains. So, yeah. I think when the time comes, she's ready to go. Let's fire her up. I'll put the while I'm at it, I'll close the rock door, just because it's always one of those easy things to forget. Okay, that's good to go. I already got the other closed. Okay, let's fire her up. I did get some quick creature comforts from Amazon. So just a little cup holder that fits into the existing cup holder that will hold my phone. And then this combine still has a cassette radio. So you can actually get a Bluetooth cassette that will connect. So yeah, good to go. We got on this. So this combine right now has 4,000 engine hours, 2,800 separating hours. Still a good machine. I'm happy with it. Okay. So now all I need to do is export everything from this spring into flash drive, and then be able to send it to the monitor. So I use Ag Leader SMS. Where is she? And then, yeah, I'll get it exported and then get it uploaded. I figured since I was out here, I'd do some, pull a few ears, see what it's looking like. It's looking dry. And get a few. Well, I just got the wagons, 2 gravity wagons that were over at the storage barn, pulled over to the home farm. And yeah, I have some ears of corn, you can't see them, to test. So that will be interesting. Feels like it's gonna be wetter than I'm thinking, so I don't know what to think. You know, we're into November where it's really not drying down that much. So I'm a little concerned on some of the acres, but and there's nobody else out right now. So even with me being patient, I feel like maybe I'm gonna be one of the first ones out again, which is never a great thing, but I guess we'll see. So I don't know if I'll add maybe the test results at the end of this, but if not, yeah, I'm curious to see what they look like. Up for today, so it's Saturday, October 28th. The college I played for, so Grand Valley State, has a home game today, the homecoming against Michigan Tech. So gonna go to that, and Michigan State plays at Minnesota. Hasn't been a great year for Spartan fans, so maybe next year when we have a new coach, hopefully Urban Meyer. That's gonna be my hope. So yeah, but go green, go Lakers. Happy Saturday. No, pull that. Push that in, and lift that up.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
How does it go?
It pivots. So now we brush it. Okay.